stop that nonsense of using one label, cutting it into pieces, and then using it to brand many items. Stop that nonsense. That's a wrong way to package. Brand your product with our stamping kit. Vital Rich stamping kit is the latest in town. Is what you need to brand your bottle product, your plastic bottle product, your plastic container product, whatever package you're doing with a container, any type of container. This is what you did. Can you see how clear the branding is? Very clear. You can read it. Every detail is showing. This is what you need for that your product. Vital Rich Concept, branding and packaging mentoring for MSMEs. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how I came about doing all this branding on the bottle. So stop that nonsense of cutting one sticker into 10 places and using it to brand your product. What kind of nonsense is that? After watching this video, you will never do that again. After all, our stamping kit is cheaper for you, better for you. With our stamping kit, you can brand up to 10 kg nylon, industrial nylon, or any other type of nylon. You can use it on any surface. You can get up to 9,000 branding from our branding kit. So the first thing you're going to do is to, first of all, fill your plastic bottle or your container with the content you want to package. You cannot brand with the stamp while the bottle or the container is empty. When it's filled with the content, it gives the bottle weight to be able to take the stamping. Okay, so get our stamping kit, VRC stamping kit. You can use it on any nylon. You can use it on any bottle product, plastic container. You can use it on them. Yeah, so this is made up, our stamping kit is made up of the stamp. You give us your details, we customize the stamp for you. Then it's made up of the stamp pad, and then the 100 milliliter ink. With that 100 milliliter ink, you can brand up to 10 kg of industrial nylon or any other nylon that you want to brand, whether it is a light nylon or thick nylon, whether you're using it to brand liquid product or powdered product or whole product. This is how our stamp pad looks like. You see how you're going to test whether the stamp has enough ink or not, so that you know how to add more ink. Now, when the first process is to add ink to your stamp pad. You add inks in drop, 25 to 30 drops we do, or even 20, depending on how dry the pad is. Okay, so if it's not very dry, you just need to add maybe like 20 or even less. If it's very dry, you can add up to 30, but you add in drops and make sure it goes round the stamp pad. Then use the cover of biro to distribute it round. That is all you need. Please don't add excess ink. Adding excess ink here is wasting your ink. You don't need excess ink, just little ink in drops, like between 20 to 30 drops. It will give you what you want. Then always secure your stamp pad by covering it. Never you leave it open when you're not using it. Now you can see the surface of the stamp. Okay, now you dip it once in the stamp pad. When you dip it, you will always know whether it will print well or not. You can see before it was very dry. Now it has a little amount of ink, just a little. You don't need excess. When you put excess ink, it will spoil your work. It can never print well. Now it's time to brand. Now when you're branding on your bottle or container, you make sure you hold it firm. But before then, I want to prove to you that this our ink cannot clean. Water cannot clean it. Even though you're using it to package ice cream or juice, the things you put in the fridge or freezer, it can never clean. You see, I'm trying to clean it now with water. Nothing can clean it. Water cannot clean it. I mean, water, the only thing that can clean this thing is chemical. Is chemical for cleaning ink. Nothing else can clean it. Okay, so once So I've been able to prove to you now that water can clean it. So it's safe for you to put in the freezer, it's safe for you to put in the fridge. Now once you dip it in the stamp pad, you now apply pressure and then go from your left to right and print. Can you see the printing? Actually, printing on bottle is very easy, very, very easy, easier than you think. Then remember, you must allow it to dry. You give it between 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Once it's dried, my brother and sister, it cannot clean. It can't clean. What of that your lovely tiger nut, your zobo, your juice that you're producing, and you now take one label, paper sticker label, you cut it and share it amongst 4 or 5 bottles? That's nonsense. Stop that. It's a poverty mentality. Stop sharing one label with many bottles. Why don't you get our stamping kit today? Get our WhatsApp number from our bio to chat us up. Yes, get our WhatsApp link. Whether you want to make more inquiries or you want to order, get our WhatsApp link from our bio to chat us up. That is how you place your order, and we deliver nationwide, throughout Nigeria, throughout Africa, and throughout the whole world. If you're in Europe and you're in US or you're Canada, wherever you are, France, and you think you need this, place your order today. So you will give us the details you want in your stamp, and we create the stamp for you and then package the whole kit and send to you. If you're outside Nigeria and you think you want it and you don't have an agent that will help you to receive it, we'll give you our own agent. But if you have your agent, we can deliver it to you through your agent. This is what you need for your branding. Thanks for watching. Tell us where you're watching from. We'll give you a shout out in our next video.